Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by checking the essentials. Confirm your iPhone and iOS version so you know available options, and make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID. Once signed in, open Settings and scroll to App Store. This is where you'll manage account and download data. Make sure Wi-Fi is active to avoid interrupted downloads or syncs. You're starting the process now to remove cached and personalized store data, so don't navigate away. Follow each step exactly to avoid losing purchases. Now act. Open Settings App Store and disable automatic downloads and personalized recommendations to stop new data collection. Next, tap your Apple ID at the top and select View Apple ID. Sign out if you want to force a fresh state for the store. To remove residual tokens and cached content, clear Safari history and website data in Settings Safari. App Store uses shared caches. Once done, restart your iPhone to flush temporary files and force the system to rebuild clean account connection. Finish by signing back into your Apple ID and reopen the App Store. This creates fresh tokens and clears prior personalized state. Make sure automatic downloads remain off if you want minimal data retention. If the store still behaves oddly, reset network settings in Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset, then sign out and back in. A key troubleshooting tip: if a download or app shows incorrect data, delete the app and reinstall from the App Store to ensure all cached App Store data is refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.